Hi guys, we're just going to bring you today's install, which is on a Audi TT. This is our 9751 model. It comes with a range of different screen specifications. This is our top spec one, which is style 4. It does come with the latest generation 7870 processor in here, which tends to have 2.7 gigahertz of power. In a nutshell, it's a fast unit. So basically, I'm just going to give you a little rundown of what it's got today. There's quite a lot to it, to be honest with you, in terms of how you set it up and stuff like that. Nice little feature that it's got is this online. It's got its own DAB radio online app built into it. So basically, you can tune it to different radio stations, tune different radio regions. Just go on a second, see if it gives you the full menu. There you go. So you can choose your different radio regions there. Well, let's put it on. Let's have a little look what's on here. There's loads here anyway, as you can see. So depending where you are, you can get your own regions there, and then obviously you've got all these radio stations. So just going back to the speed of it, you can see it's just no lag whatsoever. You're not going to get any of this spec of unit there. It does come with 2K resolution. So the system tends to be an amalgamation of every best components in the market, they all rolled into one. So you are paying a little bit more for it, but you get for your money, to be honest with you. So as you can see, there's no lag, and the speed is absolutely immense. So yeah, so that's an online DAB radio app. It is an internet-based app, so you do need to give it an internet connection to get this to work anyway. There's a few little shortcuts here. That's your Bluetooth audio. I haven't got it connected today. There's your radio station. Works fully with the Bose sound system, and also your steering wheel controls. That's a MP3 player system, so if you want to use one of the USB pens, you can put your music onto there. This is your DSP sound processor center, so if you're into customizing all your speakers and your sound outputs, you can do it through there. That's a nice little feature, so we'll do that one, nice little one there. So just going back to the home page here, these just a little funky little car. You can change the colour of that if you want. Don't know what it's on there for, to be honest with you. This one gives you a bit of CAN bus support in terms of your speed, your trip computer and stuff like that, and obviously compass settings. These ones here just a combination of recent apps that you've used, just showing what you was before. This is another little shortcut center, Bluetooth. That car links your CarPlay and your Android Auto one, which I'll show you in a moment. So if I go into this one here, this is my CarPlay built in. So this is connected to my Apple phone today. So obviously CarPlay brings all your any text messaging, phone apps, music apps. As you can see, my TalkSport, my SoundClouds there, phone, Google Maps, Apple Maps, sort of thing. Going back to the Android settings, if you want to go into the application center here, this is where all your apps from the system go into here. I'll just give you a little quick rundown here. So that ADAS recorder is for a DVR camera. Customer hasn't gone for it today, but if you did want to put a crash camera that we supply and sell, you can put it through there. Okay, so this app store, this is one that the Chinese put on there for you now. So there's a lot of apps on here, like this one here, which is your CarPlay Android Auto, which is made by the factory. They've tailored it for the car, so you can't get that in the Google Play Store to update. So what they make this app here, which allows you to get access to the Chinese manufacturer's site, so you can get all your updates through there. So obviously give it an internet connection, you can get that one. Auxiliary, so it's got aux in inputs if you want to add anything through the aux in channels, like a TV box or something like that. Bluetooth, self-explanatory, phone calls, calculator, you know what that is. Just showed you that one there, which is the CarPlay. Couple of browsers here, which is Chrome, and sometimes they stick another one in there for that's a browser there anyway. Steering wheel control support. This one goes in through a CAN bus. You get a little CAN bus box with it, so you don't need to program it, it's all done for you. That's your DSP sound processor. This app here is, we tend to use that if we want to put any apps on there that we like, IPTV, our customers put on there, they go through that app there. Gallery of pictures, don't ask me why. That's another Google browser as well as Chrome, so you can use that. That's a demo app just to make sure everything's working. The Google Maps is here, as you can see. Let's have a little go on directions. Let's put something in here. You can use the voice thing and all if you want. Liverpool. Oh, I'm offline, sorry. So yeah, you can use the voice guidance on there. You can use that in the Siri support in the Google Maps too. Into the Apple CarPlay and all, and the Google Assistant. Hey Google, that'll use that too. have a little look, media. So this just takes you into this little short page here, which obviously you can change between, as I showed you before. Play Store. So that's where you get all your apps from. If you log onto the Play Store, you download any apps that you want that are not on the system. Route, don't ask me what that is. Looks like a little CAN bus trip mileage centre that the factory have added on there for you. I'm not too sure how it works. Trust assist, don't really need that. Vehicle settings, so this tends to apply to, this will differ to different cars that we sell the screen for. Only reason being is because some of the radio info that you put it in tends to be unique to the car. So sometimes if you sell this on an Audi TT, you're going to get this here. If you sell it to like a Kia Sportage, you're going to get maybe a little bit more information because the car gives it anyway. Video player. This is the center. Hopefully it's got a dumb demo, should I say, video on, just to show you the resolution on there. So that one there. So this is full 2K resolution on this one here. As you can see, it's nice and crisp. Let me just forward it. As you can see, normally when you do this on systems with especially with 4 minutes worth of video, there's lag on it as the buffers. But as you can see, no lag whatsoever. Look at the 1 second. See, perfect. Lovely. And YouTube down there, which obviously you're probably watching this video on. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, guys. Just a little short one for you. So if you've got any questions, give us a shout. We'll put the link down below in the description, all our contact details as per usual. And if you need any information, just give us a shout. Great, take care, bye bye.